guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the birthday makeup I did for my 18th birthday, and I didn't do anything too extravagant, so this is basically it. I do still look amazing, but yeah, I'm 18. It's so crazy because I still feel like a 13-year-old and I still look like a 13-year-old, but this birthday has been one of the best birthdays ever because my family makes it so special and my friends. So if you guys are watching this, you know who you are. I love you guys so much. Mwah! But yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so the makeup I did for my 18th birthday wasn't like extravagant or anything. It was just really simple. I didn't even do eyeshadow, so this is gonna be a pretty quick tutorial. But I just wanted to show you guys because I looked bomb and it was my 18th birthday. I'm sort of an adult, but I'm still a teenager, so it's like, yeah. So let's get right into the video. Prime, as always, I have this primer water from Smashbox, and it's almost running out, so like I'm very upset. Look, it's like almost done. Before I put on any primer all over my face, I have the Milk makeup. This is this invisible something. I forgot what it's called. Oh, it's the blur stick, right? I like to put this where my pores are, just so I'm not like looking like I have deep wells in my face. And this does do a pretty good job at blurring away the shine and the pores. Like, it doesn't make it invisible, but it does give it a like some, it makes it almost clear. Not really, but almost. For my primer, I'm going to use the Guerlain. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it has like gold flakes in it, and my cousin gave it to me. But I looked it up and it costs like $75, so I'm just saying it's kind of expensive, and it smells pretty good. I'm gonna just apply that all over my face. I've been using this because I feel like it makes my foundation last longer and look pretty good. Like the oily, I used to get like really oily from foundation, but it like kind of like that doesn't really happen anymore with this primer. So that's why I really like it. Now I'm gonna let that like soak into my skin and do its job. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Matte Pro Matte Foundation. It says up to 24 hours. That's not really true, so be honest. I've worn this for 24 hours and I do get really oily and really like I feel like that's because the way my skin is. I tend to have oily skin like around my nose, but like by the end of the day my nose foundation is all cakey and and it's in the shade 111. This foundation is really thick, so that's why I kind of like it, because it really gets rid of all my pimples. Well, I don't technically have a lot of pimples. It's just my acne scars and my blemishes. Blend it with this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. It's a mess, but I don't know. Blend it down to my neck because I feel like this foundation is a little bit darker. Or is it lighter? I don't know. I feel like it's darker. Like, it has more of a pink undertone, and like my face is more yellowish, more neutral sort of. Now it gets kind of really hard for me to like blend around here because it's such a wide brush, and it's just gonna be mad work to like do it like that. So what I like to do when I get to like where my eyebrows are, that portion, I like to take my beauty blender, the tip of it, and get some excess foundation from the tip of the foundation bottle and just apply it on top of my eyebrows. And this is what I do to clean up my eyebrows. I don't use concealer because I feel this way it looks better, in my opinion. You guys could try it out if you want to. Now for my concealer, I always have the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. I'm just going to apply that to my under eyes, the bridge of my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Blended all of that out, I'm going to take my L'Oreal. Now that I've blended all that out, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier powder and apply it to where I put the concealer and all over my face. All blended and whatnot, I'm going to prime my eyelids and apply setting powder over them. Time for the contouring, I have the Profusion Studio Contour Palette, and as always I use this shade. You can tell because I've already hit pan pretty deeply, but I'm going to mix these two shades so I can deepen the contour. I'm going to take this angled brush. I'm going to take this angled blush. My accent just like messes up most of the things I be saying sometimes. So I'm going to just, you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to just apply it to my face the best way possible. I'm switching to a bigger mirror. My best friend got me this for my birthday and it's like, oh my gosh. Boom. Clean the contour up with my powder. Snatched. I'm gonna set my face with the same settings, the primer spray. I can't find it though, so I'm gonna just set it and then I'm gonna apply highlight. Caliente. For the highlight, I like mixing Becca Opal and Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. They're both really beautiful colors. Look at this right here. Can you see? I'm pretty sure you can see. It's just beautiful. And then that's like more of a rose goldish kind of color. And then the opal is a more silver pinkish color. Like, it's just, they're both beautiful. But for my cheekbones, I'm going to use both. And then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty one because it stands out more. I'm going to use this like fluffy brush and just apply it to my cheekbones. Bro, I know you see that highlight, bro. It's just so beautiful. Now that I've done my face, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes, which is the easy part. I'm going to take my blending brush for eyeshadow, and I'm just going to use the excess that's on it and just apply that to my lid just so I can have more color. I don't know. I'm an extra. Birthday, I didn't do like a cat eye, but I have been doing a lot of cat eyes lately. I don't know if I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna show you what I did for my birthday. So I have the Tarteist, where it's the 2-in-1 liner. So I'm gonna use the pencil side and I'm going to line my eyelid, not my eyelid, like, you know, yeah. So when I put the eyelashes, you can't really tell the difference, you know. So I'm going to just do a line, not too thick and not too thin. Now it looks crazy on my lid. I feel like it looks really crazy because it's not like perfect, but the lashes are going to cover it, so it's going to be fine. I'm taking these lashes from, I was going to say these lily lashes. I'm taking these lashes from Kiss, and I'm holding it in like a compact that the powder is empty because homegirl not fancy. But I'm just gonna take these Kiss lashes out there, Demi Wispies. I forgot what number. I'm gonna take this INV black glue and just put the eyelashes on. I upload a eyelash tutorial for beginners, so watch out for that. Alrighty, so now that my eyelashes are done and they look bomb, I've added a white eyeliner on my waterline. Now I'm gonna add some highlights to my inner corner and on my eyebrow bone. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. I'm gonna use this Vanilla Planet rounded liner brush that my best friend got me as well. I'm like, my whole makeup collection is from my BFF, so I'm gonna apply this color to my inner corner, and it's just so like, look at that pop. You see that pop? You see that? I know you see that. With this, it just makes you look more awake, brighter, just everything amazing. Apply some on my nose too. Mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna spray my face with the primer water to set and apply the Fenty Beauty lip gloss, Fenty Glow. So now I'm just glowing everywhere, and that's the goal. That was the whole point, and that was the goal. So looks like I'm done. My hair, it wasn't like this. My mom, she did she put in some clip-ons, some clip-in extensions for me, and they were like blondes and brown, so it was kind of like ombre, and they were like in curls, but I cannot find them right now. I was gonna put them on for the purposes of the video, but I cannot find them, so I'm just gonna have to like deal with what I got right now. My hair is a mess, but it's what I got. And for my birthday, I didn't wear like what I'm wearing right now because it was on last Tuesday. I did wear like this leather skirt with this long sleeve white shirt and some boots. I'll put it right here, I guess, in the next slide, but yeah. Anyways, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up because it was my birthday, and comment down below for more videos in the future. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.